G'day trendsetters, I'd just like to take this opportunity in a short video to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know my videos tend to trail off in and around December. Basically that's what YouTube does with my views and subscribers, so they trail off, I'll trail off, but we'll pick the whole thing up again in the new year and things should be getting away. But I also just quickly wanted to show you the Jaune Flamme hanging basket tomato, which is doing well, and I have been eating quite a few. Basically I just take them inside, cut them in half, bit of salt and pepper, and down they go. They are gorgeous. They do have that nice little citrusy, but at the same time very strong tomato taste. Mosquitoes are crashing the party. So really happy with that, and a few of these will go inside. I've got to investigate, there's a few little soft marks here and there. I'm not sure if that's fruit fly or what's going on, but we'll find out. I totally would expect fruit fly at this time of year. Just goes with the territory. One for them, one for me, hopefully. But anyhow, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. If that's not your thing, if that's not what you do at this time of the year, then happy gardening, happy Saturday, Sunday, just happy and merry for the new year. And thank you to everyone who has liked or subscribed or left a comment or viewed one of the videos that I've put up. I'm deeply grateful, and I wish you all the best for 2022. Thank you, cheers, and bye for now. G'day trenders. G'day trendsetters, just a quick G'day trendsetters, just a quick video